Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. One and two, buckle my shoe. 3 and 4, shut the door. 5 and 6, pick up the sticks. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9 and 10, a big fat hen, a big fat hen, a big fat hen, a big fat hen. One and two, take the glue. 3 and 4, spread on the door. 5 and 6, take your pick. 7 and 8, paste it straight. 9 and 10, a job well done, a job well done, a job well done, a job well done. Go to zoo. 3 and 4, the lions roar. 5 and 6, monkey in a fix. 7 and 8, birds on a stage. 9 and 10, we all had fun. We all had fun. We all had fun. We all had fun. Hi kids, hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Visit us in Facebook.